Ramassery. The word is identified with a special South Indian cuisine, idli. Ramassery is a small town in the district of Palakkad in Kerala state. We are right now in Bhagilakshmi Amma's Saraswati tea stall. This family is into making of this Ramassery special idlis for over 100 years. This particular stall, started by Bhagilakshmi Amma, is being run now by her daughter-in-law. In olden days, these idlis were prepared and taken to the paddy fields during harvest days to be sold among the peasants and workmen. Days are gone when the practice of taking these idlis to places for sale. Now, knowing well the irresistible taste of Ramassery Idli, people come to this place not only from Kerala but also visitors from other states make it a point to visit this place to relish the special idlis. This stall claims to sell around 600 idlis on weekdays and approximately 3,000 idlis during weekends. Now, let's have a look at the process involved in the making of Ramassery idlis. It's of course totally different from the method followed in the making of ordinary idlis. The batter for Ramassery idlis has to be prepared almost 8 hours before the making of idlis, which allows the batter to ferment. This particular vessel has the capacity to prepare 3 idlis at a time. The batter of rice and the combination of urad dal and fenugreek has to be prepared separately. For making Ramassery idlis, the quantity of urad dal has to be slightly more than the quantity used for making ordinary idlis. Both batters have to be mixed together thoroughly and kept aside for fermentation for at least 8 hours. Ramassery idlis is known to retain its taste and freshness for nearly a week. When we exclaimed how it is possible at all, we were informed that from the preparation of the batter to the end process, it's only clay vessels which are being used. This is the whole great secret of the lasting freshness and taste of Ramassery Idli. However much the quantity of order may be, the alluring taste remains the same. In fact, here, there are just a couple of helping hands to assist this madam whose touch of class goes into the preparation of Ramassery idlis. Now, it's time for us to relish Ramassery idlis. Wow, it's feather soft. We are offered the delicious sambar, chutney and chutney powder as accompanying dishes. Just having these idlis straight tickles our taste buds irresistibly. Definitely much more softer than the ordinary idlis. So, next time you visit Kerala, just make it a point to relish Ramassery idlis from this lovely little outlet.